Hello everyone, welcome to the AUTOABC channel. This is a Ford CarPlay module box. Today we will show its installation and functions. This is the original Ford engine. To demonstrate its function, first connect the CarPlay module to the car's head unit. This is the cable of the pickup machine. This cable is connected to the screen of the original car. OK, turn on the power. Do a screen calibration. This is the interface of our CarPlay. This is our version number. Now test the reversing image of the car. This is the original car system. Open reversing image. Switch the camera. Car forward view. Then USB. Test our CarPlay. Detect the buttons on my car. And switch the original car. This is the original car system. Call up. Finally, check the fluidity of the system. Functioning normally.